It's broken a couple times. Wow, that's a big port. Oh, I like the glass too. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
Beautiful. 4 X15s, two 4000 Sundowns. You got 5 XS power batteries.
You got 2 4Ks? Are these down 1 ohm or half?
Yeah,
1 ohm? Okay.
Yep.
The voltage is pretty good too.
Yeah.
What is your electrical like on the alternator side?
2370.
2370s? Okay, nice. This looks really good, man. Nice work. I like the side panel too. I just noticed that with the amp rack. That looks great. And at nighttime, you got LEDs, I bet you.
Yep.
Wow. Ooh. Well, that's nice. You got your back seats and your front seats. Nice, clean wall, no wall build. Have you metered it yet? Have you metered it?
Yep. It's 157.
157.
Yep.
Really? Oh, wow. What frequency and what is your peak at?
I'm not sure what it
You're not
was.
sure? Okay. Can I see the back?
Sure.
Is it open? Awesome. Wow. Does the back open all the way? Want to get a picture? How does your back? Your back doesn't break? It's broken a couple times. Wow, that's a big port. Ooh. Oh, I like the glass too. That's a big port. That is nice. Thanks for the demo, man.
This is DJ Rusticles.
Appreciate the demo, man. What's your name?
JR.
JR. Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.